Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. If you want to learn English fast, this video is for you. Just listen and try to understand. Today, I want to talk about something very important: food. I love food. Food is not just for eating. It makes me feel happy, excited, and sometimes funny. Let's start with breakfast. Breakfast is important. I usually eat eggs. Eggs are soft and warm. I like bread too. Bread is fresh and crispy. Sometimes I eat fruit. Fruit is sweet and healthy. Which do you eat more in the morning? Eggs or fruit? For lunch, my favorite food is rice with chicken. Rice is soft. Chicken is juicy. And vegetables are fresh. Eating this makes me feel full, happy, and energetic. Do you usually eat something hot or cold for lunch? I also love pizza. Pizza is cheesy, hot, and sometimes spicy. Last year, I went to Italy and tried real Italian pizza. The crust was crispy. The cheese was soft. And the tomatoes were fresh. It was amazing. If you could choose one, pizza or burger, food is also fun when you share it with friends and family. Eating together is the best. We laugh, talk, and enjoy yummy food. I remember cooking pasta with my friend last week. It was a little messy, but very fun. Do you prefer cooking alone or with someone? I like desserts too. Desserts are sweet, soft, and sometimes colorful. I like chocolate cake. It makes me very happy. Which do you enjoy more? Cake, ice cream, or cookie? Finally, Food can be a way to travel without leaving home. Last month, I tried sushi. Sushi is fresh, delicate, and a little tricky for me. I felt like I was in Japan. Have you tried food from another country? Food is amazing. It makes life exciting, tasty, and fun. What is your favorite food in the world? Pizza, sushi, pasta, or something else? Well, that was all for today. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Have a great day. Bye.